Hi friends and welcome to our video. Today I'm gonna teach you English for today class 2 unit 1. So I have done a lot of more videos like this is lesson 3 and I have done lesson 2 and lesson 1. You must watch those. Like if you go to CPM Rana's channel, that's my father's channel, you must find it. So let's start from greetings from always. Greetings, introductions, and farewells. শুভেচ্ছা, পরিচয় ও বিদায়. Now, let's go to the next one. Farewells, বিদায়. So, let's start now. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you number 8. So, let's start now. Farewells, বিদায়. Listen and repeat. Listen, it means শোনো, and it means or you can also say ebong. Okay, so let's go to the last one. Repeat. পুনরাবৃত্তি করো. Okay, now all together. Listen and repeat. শোনো এবং পুনরাবৃত্তি করো. Okay, it's time to go to the next one. অহনা. Hello, Riddhi. Oh, hey, Riddhi. How are you? তুমি কেমন আছো? Now all together. Hello, Riddhi. How are you? Oh, hey, Riddhi. তুমি কেমন আছো? Now let's go to the next one. Riddhi. I'm good. আমি ভালো আছি. And you? এবং তুমি? All together. I'm good. And you? আমি ভালো আছি. এবং তুমি? Now. অহনা. I'm okay. আমি ভালো আছি. But কিন্তু I have a class now. এখন আমার একটি ক্লাস আছে. Now, all together. I'm okay, but I have a class now. আমি ভালো আছি, কিন্তু আমার একটি ক্লাস আছে এখন. Now, let's go to the next one now. Really? Really? সত্যি? Now, let's go to the next one. অহনা. Yes, I think I have to go now. Yes, হ্যাঁ, I think, আমি ভাবি, I have to go now. আমার এখন যাওয়া উচিত. Now, it's time to say all together, like this. Yes, I think I have to go now. হ্যাঁ, আমি ভাবি, আমার এখন যাওয়া উচিত. Now, it's time to go to the next one. Click. Riddhi. Goodbye, Ohana. Okay, it's Bangla is বিদায়, Ohana. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Ohana. Goodbye, Riddhi. বিদায়, Riddhi. Riddhi. See you again. Bye. আবার দেখা হবে. Bye. Oh, it means বিদায়. Okay, now it's time to go to the next page. So wait for it. Now it's time to teach you number 3. So let's start now. Farewells, বিদায়. Now complete. এখন সম্পূর্ণ করো. And act out the dialogue in pairs. এবং ডায়লগটি অভিনয় করো জোড়ায়. Now all together. Now complete and act out the dialogue in pairs. এখন জোড়ায় সংলাপটি সম্পূর্ণ করো এবং অভিনয় করো. Now let's go to the next one. Use your real name. তোমার আসল নাম ব্যবহার করো. Let's go to the next one. So I'm gonna use on B and finish the dialogue. So let's start. Person A. Hello Dash. No. Hello B. How are you? Oh hey B. তুমি কেমন আছো? Person B. Hi A. I am good. And you? Oh hey A. আমি ভালো আছি এবং তুমি? Person A. I am good. I have a class now. আমি ভালো আছি। আমার একটি ক্লাস আছে। Oh, really? Oh, সত্যি? Person A. Yes, I think I have to go now. হ্যাঁ, আমি ভাবি আমার এখন যেতে হবে। Person B. Sure. Goodbye. অবশ্যই। Bye. Oh, বিদায়. Now let's go to the next one. Person A. See you again. Bye. আবার দেখা হবে। বিদায়. Okay, this is the last one, so bye. It's time to go to number C. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you a rhyme. This is one of my most favorite one. So let's start now. This rhyme is called bye bye. So let's start. Bye bye butterfly, take care polar bear. After a while crocodile got to go buffalo. See you later alligator. See you soon penguin. Take a bow brown cow. Give me a hug ladybug. Out the door dinosaur. On the bus octopus. So long King Kong. So this is the end of the rhyme. So friends, if you like to watch more of my videos, please like and subscribe. And all of the videos are going to my father's channel. That is called CBM Rana. So it's time to say goodbye. Bye.